We're going to make a miniature carrot today. Just an easy project for fun and exercise. I also did a miniature avocado in a previous episode, so you might want to check that one out. Now I'm defining the ends of where the little carrot is going to start and end. This is a matter of just shaping the vegetable with the tools. Now we'll use the saw to extract my piece. I'm scoring a few lines with the dremel tool. We want to give it a bit more of a carrot look. We're not being too worried about precision here. It's all about having fun. We'll paint the carrot orange, of course. And the little stem, will paint that green. So yeah, easy peasy, we have our little miniature carrot. I hope you enjoyed our little project. We'll be doing a few more of these easy to make miniatures, so be sure to subscribe and I'll catch you guys next time.